Now let's demonstrate the replacement of the SUP22C reflective lens. Start by removing the motor back cover. Drop motor terminals. Loosen the fixing screws of the motor. Pull out the motor module. Cover with masking paper to prevent dust. Flip open the reflective lens bracket set screws. After the replacement of the reflective lens is completed. Reflector orientation and motor terminal connections are rotated 90 degrees. The chip swings so that it is consistent left and right. After the adjustment is completed, put the motor module back. Lock the set screws. Plug in the terminal blocks. Before the light is released, it is necessary to adjust the centering of the red light. After the adjustment is completed, attach the back cover of the motor. Now the reflective lens replacement is complete.